Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Payment Manager is available only in Sage 50 accounting or higher. This manager assists you in tracking and paying your payables from vendors. You can view the Payment Manager by selecting Analysis from the menu bar and then choosing the Payment Manager command. The Payment Manager provides you with both a numeric bracket and graphic analysis of your accounts payable. In the secondary toolbar that appears at the top of the window, you can select the Graph option next to the Display choice to view the information below as a graph. To the right of that, use the drop-down to select the graph style to use. You can select either pie, bar, or column. To the right of that, you can use the Show drop-down to select to show all aging, a prior month comparison, or a prior year comparison. You can use the As of Date calendar selector to choose as of which date to display aging information. If you prefer a numeric display of this data, then you can select the Numeric option at the left end of the secondary toolbar at the top of the Payment Manager window to display the information as numeric aging brackets. You can then use the Show and As of Date drop-downs to select the date range of data to display within the Payment Manager. In the primary toolbar at the top of the Payment Manager, you can click the Bracket button to view the information within the aging bracket shown. You can then use the Days Past Due drop-down that appears within the secondary toolbar to select which aging bracket you wish to view. The aging brackets that you can select are 0 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, over 90 days, and total. When viewing the information within a selected bracket, you can view the associated vendor information for a row by simply clicking on the row that contains the desired payable and then clicking the Vendor button within the primary toolbar at the top of the window. That will then display the selected vendor's information with any payables that they have due within the selected bracket. You can select a desired payable from this list and then click the Detail button within the primary toolbar at the top of the window to open the selected payable in a new window. You can then close this window when you've finished examining it. Now you can also use the Payment Manager to pay vendors within the selected aging brackets. So to do this, first select the desired aging bracket within the Payment Manager. Then click the Pay checkbox to the far right end of any vendors to whom you wish to remit a payment. Note that the Amount to Pay field within the secondary toolbar at the top of the window will display the total amount of all selected vendor payments within this bracket. Once you have selected the vendors, simply click the Check button in the primary toolbar at the top of the window. In the Print Forms Disbursement Checks dialog box that appears, you can click the Select Form button to open another dialog box where you can select the types of checks to print if needed. Then click the OK button to return to the Print Forms Disbursement Checks dialog box. You can then enter the first check number to print into the First Check Number text box, and then select the correct account against which these checks will be drawn from the Cash Account drop-down. You can then click the Print Preview button at the right side of the dialog box to preview the checks, or simply click the Print button at the right side of the dialog box to immediately print the selected checks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.